Hello guys, welcome to Vishnu Game Tech, and today we are unboxing the mobile lens, and it just consists of 3 lenses for mobile and here. So let's quickly see what we'll get in the box. You get the pouch. This is the lens with the clip is the fisheye lens. So there are also 2 other lens and wide angle lens, and another is macro lens. So first lens is the fisheye lens and also known as 180-degree lens. This lens gives 180-degree field of view of image or object. A fisheye lens is an ultra-wide angle lens that produces strong visual distortion intended to create a wide panoramical or hemispherical image. Fisheye lens achieve extremely wide angles of view instead of producing image with straight lines of perspective. So next is wide angle lens and the macro lens. Unscrewing, if you point 2 lenses, one is macro and one is wide angle lens. The macro lens allows you to focus your phone within 12 to 15 mm of what you are photographing. The macro lens is a fantastic lens that allows you to take a closer look at this wonderful world. It's perfect for closer up shots and nature, stamps, jewelry, coins, fabrics, etc. Though you can get really good images of small objects to it. The wide angle lens gives you a wide field of view of the image, shot of video you want to take. Wide angle lens will allow you to capture 20% more in your shot. Great for cityscapes and large group photos.